Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kirpa classes. Our today's topic is statistics, meaning, collection and presentation of data. After going through this course, the students will understand that statistics is an important branch of mathematics wherein we arrive at the definite conclusions from the data which is available before us. We will also understand what is the meaning of data and what is the difference between primary data and secondary data. If the original data is collected first hand, it is called primary data. If the information or the data has already been collected by others and it is available for use by the individuals and researchers, that is, if we search any information on the Google or we get any information from the books or magazines, this is secondary data because the information has already been collected by other persons. We have not put our own work on ourselves into collecting the data. The work or the hard work has already been done by some others. This is secondary data. Then the students will also understand that there are various means or ways to collect the data. That is, we can do surveys, experiments, or we can go through books, magazines, or the government records, or we can search the digital records, such as we can make use of search engines to collect the data. Then the students will understand that they can present the data with the help of tables, and the students will also learn that the statistics has various applications in various fields such as business and economics, in the field of marketing, in the field of healthcare. In each and every sphere of life, statistics has its own impact because in each and every business, the decisions have to be taken only on the basis of the statistics. And in each and every organization, say in the healthcare industry or in the manufacturing industry or in maintaining quality control, the decisions have to be taken only on the basis of statistics. If the particular product is not selling much in the marketing, we will have to decide on the basis of the statistics that whether to continue to sell or what steps extra we can take. That is, we can take any decision only on the basis of the hard facts or the numerical figures which are presented before us. In this course, we will understand the presentation of data with the help of tables. We will solve some 4 or 5 examples in this course, and in the next course we will do practical examples of frequency distribution tables. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.